Brian, this was a tough match, tough game against Dudelange, and we knew that it would be very hard.
It's a good team. It's a chance from last year. We split the championship with the cup and the title, and we know that this is the team that you got to go through in order to be able to compete for a league title.
And now we're looking forward.
Yes, I mean, obviously we got Vilts coming up next week. We need to prepare and do whatever it takes to be able to make sure that we come out of that game with a win.
And something else for the future, for the middle future?
We got a lot of new players, and these new players that we have are expected to come in and compete right away and help us. And I'm getting to know them, they're getting to know me, and they're going to get better as the season goes along. So I'm certainly looking forward to being able to see their maturation process throughout the season.
Thanks, Brian.